In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete ChatGPT photo history. Let's get started. First, launch your ChatGPT app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on two bars given at the top left. Click on the option Images. This is where you will see all the generated or saved images connected to your account. If you only want to remove a specific image, simply press and hold on the image you want to delete and then select the remove or delete option to take it out from your library. However, if you want to permanently erase all image history along with the chats, go back to navigation bar. Click on your profile icon. From these options, select Data Controls. Inside Data Controls, you'll find an option called Delete All Chats. When you tap this option and confirm it, all chats and associated images stored in your ChatGPT history will be permanently deleted from your account. Make sure you really want to remove everything before confirming because this action cannot be undone. That's how you can clear your ChatGPT image history and manage your saved content easily. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.